All right. All right. How we doing, chat? What's up? How we doing, chat? What's up? Chatty chat. How we doing, baby? Holy. How are we doing? Just woke up from a nap. Am I late? Holy, no, you were absolutely just perfectly on time. Holy, we just got live, chat. We're here, baby. We're here. William says good morning. I say good afternoon because it is 12:35 p.m. Holy moly. Chat. Chatty chat. Listen. We had a phenomenal morning, chat. Holy. We had a phenomenal morning in the personal account today. You know, we're up $412 on the personal today. One trade, it was a one and done. One and done ski. I'll show you the trade. Let's see. Trades, go here. Let's take a little look. Take a little look, child. I'll show you. Let me show you. Let me show you something. This was a trade that we took. We went short around 9:28 Central Time. Shorted from 74. We sat through a little bit, chat, and let me tell you, we sat through a little bit, bro. We had to. PA was a little tricky on me. We took the short. You know, we started getting a little momentum, and then price started to be like, I don't know if I want to go down. It started to become a little bit of a tug of war. All right. Became a little bit of a tug of war. We came up and retested these highs. I had my stop sitting up at 95, I believe is what it was. Yeah. 95, 94-ish, somewhere in there. And we still just continue rejecting these highs, and we finally got the push that we wanted. Ultimately, I was targeting these lows here. I was targeting day lows. I ended up trailing my position as we were getting this move down, and it ended up stopping me out right at 32. So we took a nice trade, man. $412, whatever the P&L was. I think it was 412. Ended up getting my trailing stop got hit, locked in 412, right above low a day. So it did end up breaking low a day, but that's okay. We locked in some pretty decent gains, but took this trade in my personal account as well as my Tradeify funded account. Tradeify funded account sitting up as well, about 480 or so on the day. So everything's looking good, chat. Everything's looking real good. We're sitting nice and pretty on the day. All right. Nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. October off to a hot start. A hot one, chat. An absolute hot one. We are on a heater. Mr. Sean Chicago King, holy, how you doing, bro? Says slap that like button like it's hot. Chat, you know the deal, baby. You heard it here first from Chicago King himself. We don't smash that like button, I don't even know what you're doing, bro. I truly don't. I have no idea what you're doing. Mama Bear, good afternoon. How are you? Appreciate you. Welcome, chat. Welcome. Welcome. Chat, I think I got some giveaways to do, don't I? Do I got some giveaways to do? I don't know. You tell me. You tell me, chat. I don't know, baby. I think we do. I think we got a 50K growth account to give away today. Also, we got to do the giveaway for all of the members and Discord community people that are here for entering the giveaway on using code JM at Tradeify. If you use code JM at Tradeify, you are entered for the giveaway of 150K straight to funded account. My goodness. My goodness. Let's see. I actually got to update that real quick. Hang on, chat. Give me a second. Give me a second. I got to update it. We have 13 people, chat. 13 people entered for this. 150K straight to funded account. Everybody that used code JM at Tradeify for this giveaway. We didn't run the giveaway for very long, but we got 13 people. Good luck. It's going to be 150K straight to fundo. And then we're also going to do a 50K growth account today. Holy moly. Fit Mom Traders in the building. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hey, Brandon says I'm Flaco, by the way. Flaco. Flaco, I got you. G-Man says I wouldn't know what to do with 150K straight to fundo. My goodness. You trade it to the absolute death. That's what you do. You trade it to the absolute death. And you get a payout from it. And then you give me 10%. That's what you do. Mr. Bond says, holy moly, giveaway time. You are absolutely correct. We are going to do the 150K. We're doing two giveaways. One for the people that use the code JM and two for everybody here in the chat. Everybody here in the chat, we're going to do a giveaway for a 50K growth account today. I got some accounts giveaway, chat. Listen, I got a ton of accounts. I got 50K growth accounts. I got 50K lightning funded accounts, straight to funded accounts. I have another 150K straight to funded account to give you guys. Listen, I got some accounts, bro. Got some accounts. Duck race, yes, we'll do the duck race for the 50K growth account. For everybody here in the chat. For the discount or for the people that use code JM, I think we're gonna do like wheel of names or something. Hold on, let's see. I think we're gonna do wheel of names. But I do need to get that set up, actually. Hang on, chat. Let's see. Hang on, chat. Give me a second. I make sure I have all the names and all the entries here. All right. Let me copy these over. Let me get to the wheel of names, get all this set up here. Boom. All right. Yeah, we'll do this here soon, chat. We'll do this here soon. I sent my duck to boot camp so he'd be ready for this. My goodness. When is the holy moly socks giveaway? Ah, shoot, bro. I mean, I gotta get them made. I gotta get them made. How many people from Discord winning? Since we have 13 people, well, it'll be one winner. One winner for the 150K straight to funded. And then we'll do the 50K growth account. Nice, because I need to meet with my boss at 2:30 EST. We'll be sure to do it before then. I just want to give everybody an opportunity to hop in. In fact, let me put this in Discord that we're going to be doing the Discord giveaway here soon. Let's see. Joyce Fernandez, hello. Redneck says, I win the 150K first payout. I'm making holy moly socks 3 pair. Me, you giveaway sock here. Let's go. GG's. Love it. I absolutely love it. Chat, also, if you haven't noticed in Discord, I put a channel in Discord. It's just called Joey's Broker Statements. I'm going to be sharing my monthly broker statements in there every month, right? For the personal account. I fully believe in transparency. It only gives you guys the confidence to continue watching me. So I am trading real money, real live capital that I funded myself. And so I want to display every part of that I can. And with that comes sharing broker statements. And so I'm going to share all the broker statements every month for that. The one for September is in there now. So you guys will see the P&L for every month in the personal account through the actual statement itself. So yeah, if you haven't checked that out, you can go in there and check it out. The September is already in there and take a little peek for yourself. Holy. A lot of fake gurus out there, chat. A lot of fake gurus. We got to make sure we stand out. Exactly, Mario. Nobody can say shit to me. You just can't say anything to me. You have nothing. Like, nobody has absolutely anything to say, right? A lot of people, a lot of influencers get attacked. It's the internet, right? However, I share my broker statements. There ain't nothing anybody can say to me. There's not a single thing. And if they do, it's because they just don't make money. I mean, that's it. That's really it. That's all it comes down to. They're mad. Cheddar's Nest, what's up? How you doing? Chat, if you haven't already, hit that like button. Let's get it out the way early. Get it out the way early. We'll do the Discord giveaway first, and then we'll do the 50K growth account giveaway for all you in the chat here later on. But we'll do the 150K straight to funded account giveaway for all the Discord members here soon that use code JM. Chat, how do we all do today, bro? What's the word? What's the P&Ls looking like, chat? How did we do, bro? We saw a little bit of a sell-off today. Nasdaq trying to recover a little bit here, but we did get a nice little push to the downside, which is why we took the short here. Oh, wait, no, right here, right at VWAP there. We had a nice failed auction on the low side here, the IB getting a nice solid push up. Pretty solid to see that. So I'm sure a lot of people that trade IB or trade the failed auctions more than likely took that. Was a great setup. You actually had 2 opportunities to do that. You had one here and you would have captured a little bit, not much, but this one gave you the most reward for the push all the way back to VWAP. Sometimes that's how it happens, man. Sometimes you get a failure and then it needs one more little test, right? One more little test and then it actually moves. But an amazing failed auction there, offered some good reward there. If we look at the point value, if you had taken it off a pullback. So let's just say you saw the failure here, it was raising up, you caught off a pullback, maybe not a perfect entry. Say you got in 22 and rode to VWAP. I mean, that's a 44 point trade right there. So it wouldn't have been a bad day. Wouldn't have been a bad day. Chat, just so we so you guys know, and if I'm wrong on some of these, let me know. But I have Marcos. So for the Discord giveaway, I have Marcos Valadez for 2 entries, Corey 10, Flacco 1, Smith Dunn 1, G-Man 2, Sean King 2, Logan 1, Logan Harris 1, Daniel Moss 8, Market Mario 1, Mama Bear 1, Mr. Bond 1, Skyban 1, NQ Scalper Mom 1. Remember, the more you use code JM, the more entries you got. So you do have multiple entries. If you sent me all those screenshots, that is what I have listed. If I missed any, just let me know. We'll get it corrected, and just I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Too lazy to find the date. Say it's all good. It's all good. Wait, Market Maker Mario, it has a profile pic now. Hold on. Is this what you really look like, Mario? Artist render. Oh, okay. He has to show off his hair. Me too. I show off mine every day. I show off my hair every single day, brother. Chat, does anybody live locally here? I would love like a Celsius right now. Does anybody live local? Want to bring me one? Maybe I give you a free straight to funded account. Whoever brings me a Celsius gets a free straight to funded account. We the ball gang? Yeah, we do. We have ball gang unite, baby, holy. I'll DoorDash you one. Would that count? No, I can DoorDash. I just can't leave. Also, my wife is gone. Chat, real talk. I've been on kid duty all week this week. Like, that's why the streams have been kind of a little bit, just not as many streams, especially in the morning, because I'm on kid duty this week. My wife is in, she's in this school program where she does like permanent makeup and eyebrows and things like that, and she's like trying to get through school, and when she does that, then I'll be more, I can do more of the streams in the morning. But she's been booking clients left and right, and so to help her get like her hours in school and her like procedures done, and so she's been busy with that like every day this week. So when she's out of that, then I can go back to I can do more morning streams. It's just this week that I can't do morning streams. I think I can actually tomorrow though. I do want to ramp up ramp up the streams. I kind of want to be live like in the mornings and afternoons, but like an hour or like 2 hour break in between or something. So we're gonna figure something out though. I might have to put my kid in daycare, chat. I'm not gonna lie, because my wife, she was a stay-at-home, right? But then she like kind of got bored and wants to make money, and I'm like, you know what? Yeah, I feel that, because I would want to make money too. And so she is doing like permanent makeup school. She's trying to get through that. She just got her eyelash like certification, so she's gonna be running like a business with this. And so if she's gonna get really busy, I might have to put my kid in daycare. I don't know. because she don't want to be just a stay at home doing nothing, which I understand. She can be, but she don't want to be. So I get it. So I may have to put my kid in daycare. I don't know. You trying for the 24-hour again? Yes, we will do it again for sure. We will do it again. Get a nanny? I might have to. I feel like though, if I'm gonna do something like that, I'd rather it just be a daycare. That way my kid can go play with other kids. You know what I mean? Mario says, my wife did the same thing. She doesn't have to work, but still does. She got bored. Yep. I mean, it's a real thing. My wife, she doesn't have to, but she a little go-getter. She a little grinder. So she wants to run her own biz. And now that she has the opportunity to, she wants to run with it, which I get it. I get it. Chicago King says G Unit and Bald Gang. Holy, you love it. You love it. Chair 007. It's hard to trade at all-time highs, right? Yes, it is. All-time highs is the hardest to trade because you just don't have the levels, right? You just don't have the levels to pay attention to. Constant all-time highs is just, it's annoying. It really is. We're at, let's see. I mean, yeah, we're just chilling all-time highs. What is all-time high is what, 160 chat? Am I right? Looks like it, yeah. 160. Why does my chart keep doing this, bro? Stop it. Or is it 180s? 180? Yeah, 180. Okay, there we go. 180s. G Unit, G-Man in the building. G-Man, change your name right now, bro. Change your name, bro. That's it. That's the one. We got Market Maker Mario. We got him change his name G. Now it's you, bro. That's it. That's the one. That is the one, G. Chat, you want to hear something crazy? I have a account that I completely forgot about that is funded and it has like $800 in it. Completely forgot about it. Had like, for whatever reason, I thought it was gone. Like I thought I'd like blown it a long time ago. We're talking about last year, chat. Last year. I completely forgot I had a funded account somewhere. It has $800 in it. I don't know how I forgot, but I did. And they reached out to me yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, no, day before yesterday. Something. I don't remember. My days are all confused. Anyways, they reached out to me. It was like, hey, did you forget you have this account? I was like, yeah. I did. So I have this this funded account that is just chilling that I'm gonna, I guess, trade. I don't know. Am I gonna trade it now? Yeah. Yeah, I'll trade it. Let's see if we can get a payout and it's they don't, I guess they didn't have a time limit. I mean, they reached out to me and was like, yo, did you forget about this? I was like, yeah, I did. And they let me keep it. Like, it's in my dashboard and everything. It's kind of wild. I mean, I started it, chat, and like, hold on. Let me see when I started this account. I mean, it's been like almost a year, chat. Let's see. When did I start this? In December of last year, I started this account. I got this account funded. So December of last year, chat. The last time I traded it, this account, chat, was on the 26th of December of last year. I've just had this funded account just chilling there, bro. Holy. And they let me keep it. I guess they don't have an activity rule. They let me keep it. So I'll trade it and see if we can get it to a payout. All right, chat. Let's get ready to do this Discord giveaway. Do we have everybody here? I don't know if we have everybody here, but we need to get ready to do this Discord giveaway. Let's see, we have Corey, we have Marcos, we have Flacco, Smith Dunn, G-Man, Sean King, Logan Harris, Daniel Moss, Market Mario, Mama Bear, Mr. Bond, Skyban, and NQ Scalper Mom. Do we have majority? If we have majority of people here, chat, we're gonna do it. If we have majority of people here, we are gonna do it. We have Skyban here, we have G-Man, we have Mario, we have Mama Bear, we have Bond. Redneck Trades was in here. I think he said he was going to be kind of in and out. So if he does win, we'll make sure to save it. We have Flacco. Let's see. We have majority of people here, chat. Let's just do it. Let's do it. So here's the deal. I have all of your names in here, and if you had multiple entries, you have multiple entries, right? So yeah, if you do have multiple entries, your chances of winning are higher, chat. So just keep that in mind. Some of these people have 10 entries. Some people have 8. Some people have 2. Listen. This is for the 150K straight to funded account. 150K straight to fundo. Do you have to be here to win? Yes. Except for Redneck. Redneck messaged me and let me know that he was going to be kind of out, in and out. So, yeah. Chicago, I got you in for 2, bro. Right here, look. G-Man, I got you in for 2 as well. It's just separated. Chicago, look. Sean King, boom. There's two entries right there. So chat, for this giveaway, this is for the people that used code JM during that time period. We're going to do a 50K growth account for everybody in the chat here soon, but this is for the people that use code JM at Tradeify. So, but we will do another one here soon for everybody in the chat. Chat, y'all ready, bro? For everybody that used code JM, good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. We'll spin it a couple times, get going really fast. Boom, boom. Who's it gonna be? Oh shit, Marcos, Flacco. No way, Flacco. Flacco, you here? Dang, Flacco had one entry, bro. Flacco, you here? Are you here? I think that's Brandon, right? Yeah, Brandon. Flacco, just send me a message in Discord and I'll get you set up for the 150K straight to Fundo. Straight to Fundo. All right, chat. That was for the Discord people. The next giveaway, we're going to do a 50K growth account for everybody here in the chat. It'll be a 50K growth account for everybody. We'll do that here soon. I'm not going to say when, but we'll do it soon. Hold on, who's this? Guarini? You guys got nothing else to do? Get a job, traders? I'll let chat go in on that guy. Chat, I'm gonna let you guys go in on him. I won't even say nothing. I'll let you do it. Marbra, how you doing? Actually, no, I will say something. Greeny. You're looking at it, brother. You're looking at my job. I get to sit at home every single day of my life, making money in these markets, streaming, making money, and hang out with my family every single day at home, every single day while you're going begging for your 2-week vacation. All right, relax. Relax. Poppin' drops, just pull 45 hundo out of Bullinox. That's a good paycheck in my opinion. That is a badass paycheck. Holy, 4,500 out of Bullinox. Yeah, absolutely love to see it. Yeah, I know. He's telling everybody in chat to get a job, but yet he's in my chat. Isn't that crazy? What job can I pull an average 10K a week? That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. Ms. Venture says, don't have to report to a boss or ask when I can get lunch. Get to do what I want when I want. That is exactly it, baby. Holy. Gurney says, I got nothing to do. We can see that. We can see you're bored. We can see you're absolutely bored. But listen, you talking to the wrong chat to tell them to go get a job. Holy. You're in the wrong chat for that. We got hustlers in here. We got absolute hustlers. We got people with jobs, but we also got people that with jobs that make money as well with trading. We got absolute grinders in here. You in the wrong chat, big dog. G-Man said, that's me. Hey, look, G-Man an absolute hustler. G-Man works a job and tunes in and makes money. Holy. G-Man's an absolute gangster. Guarini says, I love it. Now we turn Guarini into a lover. Chat, we transformed a hater into a lover. Now, Guarini, I will welcome you. Carrie, what's up, Carrie? How you doing? Says, hey, I'm new here. Welcome to the greatest chat alive. Holy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We got TTG Ismail in the chat. Holy. Holy, you love it. They call him Thor of our Discord. Yes, you are the Thor. Yo, G-Man got a mean swing with that Thor hammer, let me tell you. He got a mean swing, chat. You don't want to catch it. And promise you, it might hurt a little bit. It might hurt a little bit. G-Man reaches so far back with that hammer, bro. Let me tell you, chat. He reaches so far back, he could damn near grab history. Let me tell you, he will grab history back there and swing it. He got a mean swing, bro. He got a mean swing, chat. Let me tell you. Your mic sounds so good. Do ASMR. Chat, should we do should we do ASMR? I hope my mic sounds good, bro. I spent a lot of money on this mic. This is an expensive microphone, chat. I hope I sound good. Nasdaq is trying to work its way right back up, chat. What is happening on my chart? Dude, my chart is bugging today, chat. I don't know why. Look at this. It just keeps skipping, bro. What is happening? Holy. Hey, Joey, ready for PW's battle, bro? I'm ready to smoke absolutely everyone. I am absolutely ready. Candlestick ASMR? I like that. I like that a lot. Think we'll go back to IB high? Maybe. We'll see. Watch for TTG Ismail. Holy. How do you let's see. How do we do you just how do you buy how do you enter? Do you just buy an account? I would love to enter it. It's a tournament account. Yeah, just send me a DM as well and just let me know. Just let me know. I'm trying to catch up on chat here. Sean, morning and midday day trading, afternoon real estate photography, evening photojournalist covering sports. We all work hard here. That is absolutely correct. Holy moly. Sean Chicago King is absolute hustler. Popping drops. I got a job. Also run my startup HVAC biz and trade from the work van. Holy. Getting that absolute paper. Getting that absolute paper. YM is almost at IB high. Nasdaq's trying to catch a little bit of a bid. We'll see if we can get up there. It would honestly, it wouldn't surprise me if we do, chat. The market's just been so bullish. It's like anytime the Nasdaq catches any sort of selling pressure, you know, they just bid it right back up. Market's been bullish, man. It's just bullish right now. It's one of those things where, chat, the market needs a reason to go down. It doesn't need a reason to go up. Right? The markets naturally go up. It has to have a reason. There has to be some reason for the market to sell off. And I'm not talking about like intraday. I'm talking about in general, like when you have a healthy pullback in a market, right? There has to be some reason, some event take place for the market to go down. Markets don't need that to go up. So it's just, they just naturally go up. I mean, does the market, is there any really reason for the market to go down? That's the thing, you know what I mean? Not really. I thought it was interesting that the government shut down and the market rips to all-time highs. Government shutdown, all-time highs. What a life, bro. What a world we live in. What an absolute world we live in, chat. Caught half that run up. Had a hard TP because I had to walk away. Nice. Nice. What platform is showing the bubbles? It's a Bookmap. Yeah. I can show you here. Check it out. It's my Bookmap platform. Why is it so blurry? That's weird. Yeah. Bookmapski. Oh, baby. Let's see what gold's doing, chat. What's gold doing? Holy moly. Oh, wait. That was earlier. Still. Damn. Gold sold off, chat. What the hell? What happened to gold? Gold sold off 80 points from that high. Jesus. Chat, gold's been moving. I mean, we had the same sell-off back over here. Gold has been absolutely just getting like, I mean, it's buying up. Like we have these sell-offs and we catch a bit after, but man, those sell-offs are sharp, buddy. Holy. The sell-offs are sharp. Offrey says I'm very, very fussy though. Uh-oh, what happened? What can we do to make it better, Offrey? I don't even know how to say your name. I'm probably butchering it. I'm just gonna say Offrey. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. What can we do? How do we make it better? Mario says stop looking at NQ and ES to trade YM and gold. Now I'm kind of with that, to be honest, chat. NQ sucks. Like it used to be baby girl. Now I feel like I need to break up with her because I don't know. NQ sucks. Like I made money today on NQ, but NQ is not what it was, man. It's not what it was, and it hasn't been. I'm getting rather annoyed with NQ. The problem with NQ is she's always the ex-girlfriend you go back to. You know what I mean? She's all like, NQ is always the ex you come running back to. Like you get mad at it for a period of time and then it turns around and gets good again. And you're like, okay, fine, I'll come back. Like I'll give you another chance. Oh, we need to get some more music in here. Jazz, does anybody else feel that way? Like NQ is like that crazy ex you just keep running back to? We all have a toxic relationship with NQ. Josh says NQ will always be my first. Man. NQ is because when it moves, it really moves and it goes into Widowmaker mode. Yes, it does. Definitely a toxic relationship. It really is, man. It really is. NQ is, it's a very unhealthy relationship that nobody should ever have to tolerate. But we do it anyways. But we do it anyways. Holy. It's like we just put up with the abuse, chat. You know what I mean? It's like maybe the Nasdaq isn't the problem. Maybe we're the problem for continuing to tolerate the abuse the Nasdaq gives us. You ever think about that? Forgot to mention that growth I won is up 939 from yesterday. Holy. Dita Wasa. Hey Joey, finally I hopped in your stream. Last time I saw you was on Tradify TV. Holy moly, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you coming through. Mario, just so you know, bro, if you get a payout on the accounts that I give you, I charge 10%. I charge 10%, Mario, holy. I'll tell you. There you go. There you go. Bank account's open, baby. Holy. He earned it. He did earn it. He did earn it. Yeah. He did. Nasdaq's still trying to creep its way up here, trading at 107. We'll see how we can do if we get back into like the 130s, 140s. I think it'd be an interesting area to see how we react up there. If we get up there, maybe we go up test the highs, but I'm kind of eyeballing this. Like, do we go make another high on the day? We'll see. We'll see. Just put 2 micros on long on MQ. Holy. On MNQ. Good luck. I think it looks good up to the 40s. I'd get a little bit skeptical up here, but it looks good to the 40s. Nice, Mario. I do that too. Like I have like accounts, other accounts, but I don't copy trade them. Like even on my my personal account with my Tradify account, because it's all through Tradify, right? I don't even copy trade my personal account with my prop accounts. Although I probably could, probably should do it. But I don't know. I just don't do it. I always trade them separate. Third-party copiers scare me, chat. They really do, because there's so many issues with those. Like you see all the times, like traders having issues with all these trade copiers, like putting them in larger positions or not allowing them to get out of positions and things like that. Like chat, to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if prop firms banned third-party copiers. It's already kind of happening. Like there's one prop firm that already did it. I wouldn't be surprised to see third-party copiers get the old boot. Because if you think about it, dude, like it seems like they cause more problems than they do good. Like people are losing they're losing accounts because of them. Like prop firms don't know if somebody else is trading their account because of third-party copiers. Like anybody can log in and set up like their account and they're in a different copier, right? So prop firms don't know if it's the actual person that's supposed to be trading them, right? So there's that, and then there's the issues. Like, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised to see all of them do it. Ms. Venture, I have Replicanto and I have to keep an eye on it when I'm copy trading. Exactly. Like you have to be careful. And the fact that you even really have to pay that, like you have to be that cautious using it is the problem, right? Like you should feel comfortable. You should be able to feel comfortable trading your account, right? And if you don't feel comfortable trading in third-party copiers, then that's the problem in itself. And why I think most prop firms are going to ban them. Exactly, Ismail. Yeah. Replicanto gave me too many issues. Yeah, I mean, it gave me issues before. That's part of the reason why I don't use it. I'd rather just trade them independently. Or what I'll do is like I'll have like my personal account on one screen and then like my Tradeify accounts on another, and I can easily just enter both, right? You know what I mean? I don't have to use a copier. Like I can easily just go buy and buy or sell and sell, right? Or if I'm gonna enter based off limit orders, I can set limit orders on both and just wait. I mean, it's pretty easy. I'd rather do that than risk the problems. Holy moly, YM. Wow. Look at this absolute ripper. Look at that beautiful fill. Oh my God, bro. That is textbook. Hold on. Dude, that is fucking, oh man. I wish I had seen that. That is a textbook failure, chat. Holy, look at that. Right back into IB low and just off to the races. I mean, this right here is textbook, right? You get a break below IB low, a nice huge candle below that. Then you see a nice bullish candle, get a little bit of a pullback, continues to be bullish, engulfing the selling, and then bang, just straight to the moon. Oh my God. That is freaking, that is textbook. I would have taken that 10 out of 10 times. That's why I took it. I had Joey on my shoulder. Exactly, bro. Like that's textbook. That's the most beautiful failed auction I've seen in a long time. I'm kind of upset. Like, can we rewind the clock, bro? I'm kind of upset that I missed that. I'm gonna start looking at YM. Mario, you convinced me, dude. I'm gonna add YM to the list, chat. I got to. I'm tired of the Nasdaq. I'm breaking up with the Nasdaq for now. John, I'm so pissed because I was in Dow and got out, had to run. Oh no. At least have it in rotation. Yeah, I have to. At this point, I feel like I need to. What's the point value on YM? I actually don't know, chat. I haven't really paid attention to the point values. What's the point values on YM, Mario? $5 per point. I like it. I'm gonna have to take a look at it. I'm gonna have to keep it up. Let's see, hold on. Can I? Let's do. Actually, I really hate the way this looks, but I'm gonna have to figure out something different. Wait, why is there only 3 on here? That's weird. Let's do it this way. This looks better. All right, we'll do gold here. S&P. Actually, we'll do NQ up here. S&P, YM, and gold. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. Yeah, YM's looking really good. Need to get a bigger screen for a clean view. Ismail, if you knew how big my screen is, I have it set to 1080, right? I have it set to 1080 to the 1920 by 1080. But if you knew how big this screen is, this is a 34-inch ultra wide curved monitor in front of me, chat. This is a massive, massive monitor. For streaming purposes, I literally have to set it for 1920 by 1080 to stream. When I'm not streaming, I have it set to full screen. So it's like just all the way across, curved, everything. It's beautiful. But for streaming and for everything to fit in Streamlabs here, I have to like go to 1920 by 1080. It's annoying. You see my setup? Probably, yeah. I mean, yeah, I've shared pictures the whole time. I've shared a ton of video and photos. How's your trading day? It's been great. We're up. Nice. Here's my personal account. Oh, wait. Oops. Here's my personal account. We did not trade yesterday in the personal account. We took Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday off, chat, on the personal. I didn't trade the personal account Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. We locked in the gains for September, so didn't trade Monday, Tuesday of this week to just lock in September. Yesterday, we didn't trade. Today, we took a trade in the personal. One and done, 412. Tradify accounts, we took the same trades. I can show you here, chat, hang on. Get to my Tradify journal. Wait, oh, there we go. Yeah, so there it is. Today, 2.1K. These are Tradify funded accounts. Not bad. Just restarted the funded accounts, chat. Just restarted the funded accounts on Tradify. We were trading evals, and we got the evals passed, and now we're back funded with Tradify. 2.1K to start the day, baby, or start the month. Holy, you loved it. You love it. You love it. You'll love to see it. John, I keep an eye on YM, NAS, S&P, Gold, and Russell's. Holy, look at Russell exploded. The personal account chat's been the big focus. Like, we had an incredible month last month. We go back to September. I mean, we had an absolutely incredible month, and I like to look at this as percentages because like it gives you an idea on like what kind of percentage growth that we've had, right? So in the personal account for last month, and I shared the broker statement in Discord, but we ended up on the month 16.8% chat in the personal account. That is absolutely incredible. The crazy part is we really didn't even go that hard in the personal account. We played defense pretty much all of September. All of September, we played defense. And we still ended up 16.8%. I mean, that's pretty good, all things considered. In fact, I would say that's pretty phenomenal to have. Pretty phenomenal. We had 4 red days the entire month. Our red days were very small in comparison to my green days. My largest red day was 1.6% of the account, which my max risk per day is 2%. So we stopped just under the 2% mark. But that was my largest red day. And then all the other days just kind of piled up, and we did very well for September. So we're looking to continue that for October. October, we're off to a pretty good start. Pretty good start. I DM'd you my setup, Joey. It's on my pin post on my X account. That is an older picture. Hold on, let's take a look. DM me on Discord? Yeah. Let's take a look here. Oh wait, hold on. I didn't mean to. I don't want to share it on stream unless you don't mind if I do. That's sick. Can I bring it on stream? I can bring it on stream. Okay. Let's see. I just followed you back too. Didn't even know I wasn't following you. There's a setup. There's Mario. Mario setup, chat. Holy. That's pretty sick. Got the stream deck. I got this the same exact. Well, actually, your stream deck's a little bit bigger than mine. I had the Go XLR soundboard. I have that soundboard. I don't use it anymore, but I have that soundboard. Got 5 monitors. Yeah, that's sick. That's a pretty dope setup. I need to change mine. I really need to upgrade my setup, I feel like. Need to update mine. Is today duck race? Yes, we are doing a duck race today. We're doing a giveaway for a 50K growth account, chat, today on stream. We'll do duck races for it. XLR was giving you issues. I had one. In fact, I think I still do. I think I still have it in my closet. They're pretty dope. You can do a lot of cool things with them. I used to do like a lot of cool, like different sound effects with mine. All right, Nasdaq kind of stalling out here at the 100 level, chat. Kind of stalling out here, not really doing a whole lot. Chat, while we're just kind of waiting for something to happen with the market, remember we are doing a free mastermind course in Discord to go over how to get better entries. I kind of talked about this briefly in other videos, but just to give you an idea of what I mean by that, I have a playbook here in my TradeZella that I use to log these types of trades, and ultimately the entries that we're getting, the idea behind it is that we're trying to get entries where other people get stopped out, right? Because, you know, if you trade the Nasdaq, it's notorious for running through key levels and reversing out of them, right? If you look at, I mean, this is as an example, right? A lot of stops are going to be down here below that level. And so the Nasdaq's notorious for running through them and reversing, right? And so what I've been testing and what's worked very well for me is taking that idea and placing limit orders, right? Limit buy orders down below these levels, right? Where all these stops are, with the idea of us running them and reversing out of them. And so far it has worked tremendous. Now there are some ground rules to this, right? There's some ground rules to this strategy because you don't want to just blindly do this because you'll get wrecked. There's got to be some ground rules to that, right? I mean, you have to have a daily bias, right? You have to understand what your daily bias is if you're bullish and you're looking for longs and good reversal points to take longs out of. Also, too, you got to have a big picture time frame of the market, right? Is the market bullish on the bigger time frame? So when those line up and then you get areas like this to get swept and reversed out of, these provide high probability setups and you get killer entries, right? So we're doing a whole entire masterclass on all of that, right? And going into this trade, just giving you an idea, like here's a trade that I took on gold that was that exact setup, right? Trade on gold. Let me just zoom out here. I'm gonna go to 5 minutes. What has happened? There it is. All right. So this entry here on gold, we had this key level right here, right? My limit order was literally right here at 82. Okay. And so we swept that level. I got filled to the bottom tick and caught the move, right? Another trade going through it. Same instrument. It was here on gold. Same move, right? Or same trade. We swept this level. I had a limit buy order down here at 73. We got the sweep here. I mean, I barely took any drawdown before catching the move, right? So we are doing a mastermind class on that in Discord. It's absolutely free. I have nothing to sell you. I'm not going to sell you anything. I don't have a mentorship. I don't have a course. I'm not selling anything. So it's going to be free in Discord. So if you're not in Discord, click the link in the description. You can join up. It's on October 24th, 7 p.m. Central Time. You don't want to miss it, baby. It's going to be an absolute heater. Gonna be an absolute heater, chat. I need to add, Mario, with your 5 monitors, I need to add more monitors. I have monitor, like I need like 2 more. I need 6. Chat, I need 6 monitors. All right. In fact, you know what I'm gonna do? Have y'all seen those vibe boards, chat? Have y'all seen those? Hold on. Let me show you some real quick. Have y'all seen these? Let me move this over. I don't know why that shows kids, but have y'all seen these vibe boards? Like, chat, I need it. Okay. Look, chat, I need it. I need it. And yeah, I saw that, Ismail. It's all right. I mean, if they see it, they see it. Why just roll their eyes when I need it like tomorrow. In fact, I might order it. I might order it, chat, and literally set it up right here. Like, right here. Mr. Joey going forward. Oh boy, I'm coming over. Y'all didn't, it didn't show the full address, did it? Did it show my full address? It just showed where, like, what town I was in. Did it show my full address? Where? I didn't see it. It just showed Nixa, Missouri, right? Well, if something happens to me, chat, then you know what happened. If I go missing, you know what happened. The creators of the algo that kidnapped me. Just know, chat, if I disappear, somebody kidnapped me, okay? Somebody got my address and they came and kidnapped me. Any giveaway? Yes, we're doing a giveaway today. Having too much fun here, need to get the kids, or are they gonna be why you always, I mean, hey, listen, priorities. Being here might be the biggest priority, I don't know. I accidentally gave my phone number out. That was fun when I started getting calls at all hours of the day. Holy, I'm actually getting ready to change my phone number, chat. I get too many like spam calls and like just, I don't know. I get way too many spam calls. Market getting ready for power hour. I hope it gives us some volatility. This is kind of just real trash. You know what I mean? It's absolute trash. I mean, we are doing nothing. I have two phones because of it. One has never been shared outside of family. That's smart. I might actually do that too. I might need to do that too, chat. Get two phones. I got two phones. Oh, brother Nasdaq, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Let's see, what's turn these off here. I mean, look at the Dow, bro. Holy, it actually broke initial balance high. That is an incredible ripper, chat. An absolute incredible ripper. Jack, give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, we back. Yeah, what do y'all know about these, bro? Have you ever had these? These are phenomenal. Protein chips. There's 19 grams of protein in this, chat. I mean, they are absolutely phenomenal, bro. Had the Doritos one and it tastes like straight up chalk. Ugh. I don't know about, yeah. Yeah, it didn't sound that good. What's the calories on it? 140. Unhealthy processed food. I mean, yeah, I mean, listen, it's protein. It's just what I got right now. Probably why my hair fell out. Relax. Damn, holy moly, what's up? How you doing? Chat, nobody has brought me a Celsius. Y'all must not want a straight to funded account. I literally offered for you guys to bring me a Celsius. Somebody to come to my house and bring me a Celsius. And I'd give you a straight to funded account. Nobody took me up on it. I literally gave y'all an opportunity, chat. Can we get a fucking dump? Holy moly, yeah, seriously. I hid the address too fast. Oh. Where do you live? I'm gonna call it Springfield, Missouri. It's outside, just outside of Springfield. Let me hop on my jet, yo. Hop on it. Listen, get the jet fueled up. Come on through. Bring me the Celsius tropical flavor. All right, tropical. It has to be tropical. Or the watermelon lemonade. Live on the East Coast. It's a little bit of a hike. Now you get why I'm bald like Homer. Listen. The best looking bald guy I've ever seen, chat, okay? Let's call it like it is. The best looking bald guy I've ever seen on the internet, all right? So call it like it is, bro. Call it like it is. Listen, chat, y'all can talk shit on me. But listen, I'm not gonna tolerate it, okay? I'm not gonna tolerate it. I don't have to tolerate it. You have a distant uncle who lives in Missouri on a big farm? We do have a lot of farms out here. We do have a lot of farms out here. Did I lose my hair because of trading? No. I lost, chat. My hair fell out when I was young, bro. I mean, I'm still young, but I started losing my hair at like 25. Chat, which one of you is this? Which one of you is calling me from Los Angeles, bro? It's probably a spam caller. Hold on. Hello? 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 Nobody was there. Did you see how green he is? Man should be growing hair from trading. Yo, if that were the case, I might have a full head of hair, bro. Might be. I might have a full head of hair if that were the case. Based off September, holy. Celsius at the door? No, it's not. Bro, just get diamond dreadlocks. No. I wonder how well the hymns works. I don't know. I mean, I guess I could try it out. Chat, I'm telling you, bro, if I am gonna get hair again, chat, I'm going to Turkey. All right. We're gonna do an IRL stream and I'm gonna do it from Turkey and I'm getting the hair transplant. I will, bro. I will do it. I will 100% do it. Must be the curly trader. Oh yeah, she is from LA. LA. You going to Turkey to do your beard? Get a hair transplant for the beard? Holy. I need that too, chat. I can't even grow a beard. Chat, I don't have hair on my head. I can't grow a beard. All I can do is a chin strap. That's all I can do. I wish I could grow a beard, bro. I wish. Hang on, chat. Maybe if I go to Turkey, chat, maybe if I do go to Turkey and get a hair transplant, I can just have them, you know, help me with the beard a little bit too. Maybe I can just have them help me with that as well. Need help all around, chat. We really do. Hang on, chat. Give me a second. Oh, we know, Jay. You know what? I'm not even gonna say anything, bro. I'm not gonna feed it. I'm not gonna feel it, chat. I don't have to. I don't have to. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna feed into it. Because I'm not gonna tolerate it, okay? I'm not gonna do it. I refuse, bro. I absolutely refuse. Chat, real talk, I'm gonna buy this vibe board. What is it, Curly? It's the Curly Trader on Tradeify TV, one of the hosts. Nasdaq's trying to catch a little bit of a bid here, chat. Little bit of a bidski. She's fun to listen to. Yeah, she's dope. How do I use Bookmap? Just for areas liquidity, right? Here, I'll show you. Basically, I'm just looking for areas liquidity. Like you see those dark red lines up there. That's just showing me where the most liquidity is sitting right now at a particular level. And so I'll use that for confluence. So I generally above price, it is sellers. Below price, it is buyers. And those bubbles there, how big the bubbles are, indicate how much volume was conducted at that particular price. And so I'll look for those key levels for price to navigate to. Generally, the higher liquidity areas where you see those dark red squares above price, up at 127, generally that acts as a magnet for price. Price will more than likely go and tap those areas. It doesn't have to happen right now. It could happen later. It could happen at the end of day. You don't really know when it's going to happen, but price tends to act as a magnet to those key levels. So that's what I usually use it for. Going all in short with my Apex. Oh Lord. Listen, holy, good luck. Good luck. Andrew says I'm done for the day. You absolutely love to hear it. You love to hear it. I might be too if price don't fucking do something, because I mean we're just doing nothing, chat. These are 5-minute candles. Like, look at this. Look at these candles, bro. These are 5-minute candles. We look at how big these are. Just take this one for example. 8 points. For the past 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, about 40 minutes. We've been in an 18-point range for the past 40 minutes, chat. Doing nothing. So we're just filling time right now. Waiting for the market to do something. Chat, if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, bro. We got 35 likes, 56 people. If you haven't hit that like button, bro, do me a favor, smash the like button. It is absolutely free. Have a little thumb war with the like button, bro. Helps me out a ton if you want to help the channel, support the channel. Market is giving us a super safe environment. It really is. Business lens long from 25,090. Holy. Good trade. Absolute banger. on an absolute banger. With one micro, hey, listen, money's money, baby. Holy, money is money. Money is money. Here comes gold. What's gold doing? Chat, let's go take a look. Let's take a little peek. Gold, where's gold? There it is. Uh-oh. Gold making a little run ski. Gold's catching a bid, chat. Gold catching an absolute bid right now, coming up to VWAP. VWAP sitting at 3,883. Right now we're at 880. Gold's trying to catch a little bid up to VWAP here. Got in at 70. 9-point move on gold. Listen, or 10-point move rather. 10-point move on gold. That's some money, bro. That's some money. Gold is underrated, bro. I think more and more people are starting to actually pay attention and trade gold. Before, like, everyone used to be just Nasdaq and ES. Now I feel like there's more and more traders starting to look at other instruments like gold, YM, all the good stuff. We need more gold traders, chat. We need more gold traders. This thing's gonna plow through a VWAP. It looks very strong. Looking like we might plow through it. Do we get a nice little move through VWAP here, chat? Gold has been everyone's sweetheart lately. It really has. It really has. Sean Chicago King, baby, says gold trader for life. G unit, holy. Gold is cool because it trades very traditionally. Yeah, it's very clean. You know what I mean? Very clean. You get very clean movement with it. Yeah, if you're in a long on gold right now, you're sitting real pretty. Real pretty. It is much cleaner than the Nasdaq, that's for sure. I would even argue that it's cleaner than the ES, chat. What do you think? Y'all think gold trades better than the ES too? Like cleaner wise? I'm not saying more, but cleaner. I think it trades cleaner than the ES. Right now pushing up into VWAP here. Very clean, about a fourth of the volume. Yeah, less volume, but the point value is nice. The point value is nice, and when it moves, man, it moves. I can appreciate the gold trades, chat. I can appreciate the gold trades. Less volume in New York session, but at night, yeah, at night, dude, gold turns up at night, chat. You get to like that 8 p.m. Central Time for gold. Listen, you can get some good opportunities on gold. Some really good opportunities. I know a lot of people in the community trade gold. We could do some like, I don't know, chat. Maybe we need to do like a couple days where we have some Asia session streams where we just trade gold, chat. What do you think? Do you like some Asia session streams and just trade gold? I need a, if I do that though, I would want to do it on other accounts. Like have a prop firm account specifically, like specifically for gold, where I don't trade anything else but gold. I think we should, chat. I think we should have a couple streams a week or something. Maybe not every evening, but we do like a couple streams a week for gold, like 2 or 3. Use that old funded account for gold. I should, chat. I don't know if you, I think a lot of you guys weren't in here yet, but I've had this funded account just sitting that I forgot about, and the firm reached out to me and was like, yo, did you forget about this account? I'm like, yeah, I did. I've had a funded account since like last December, bro. Last year, December of last year, chat. I've had a funded account just sitting there. The last time I traded it was on December 26th of last year, and they've never deactivated it. They've just been sitting there. And they're like, yo, they reached out to me yesterday. They're like, yo, did you forget about this? Yeah. I did. My bad. Thanks for reminding me. But it has like $800 in it. I don't know how I forgot about it. Like, how did I let that happen? How did I forget I had a funded account just chilling? PURDIA. Chat, we're gonna do the 50K straight to funded account giveaway here pretty soon. Or sorry, wow, not 50K straight to funded. We're doing 50K growth account here soon. Stay locked in, chat. Hope you get your ducks ready because we have a 50K growth account coming soon. $50K growth account giveaway coming soon, chat. Holy. I hope you got your ducks trained up and ready. I said it before, I'm gonna say it again, chat. This is where preparation meets opportunity. This is your moment, chat. Holy, this is your moment. Where preparation meets opportunity, chat. My goodness. If your ducks ain't ready, baby, you're not gonna win the giveaway, chat. Y'all have all week to be planning these, bro. You have all week to train your ducks, get them ready for the giveaways, right? Carrie says my duck is drunk right now. Holy, you might be having duck for dinner. Beer battered duck. Holy. What do we need to do? I'll tell you guys here in just a little bit. I'll give you the keyword to type in the chat, and then that will be you'll be entered for the giveaway. My duck finished in second place twice. Listen, you need to have a conversation with your duck. You need to have a conversation with it. Hey guys, sob story. I've only won 2 giveaways in my life. I know people haven't won it all, but who cares? Holy. My horse lost 2 races yesterday, so I turned him into glue in front of my duck. Hopefully it inspires him. Yikes. Going to eat some duck in front of your duck during the duck race. Yeah, real talk, duck is really good. I don't know if you guys have actually had duck, but it's really good. I really enjoy it. We had a restaurant here in town that served like really good duck. Two things in life I did not expect to be really good: duck and catfish. Yo, I love catfish, bro. Yo, give me some good catfish. I'm happy. I got some catfish in the freezer, chat, from all the fishing trips that I do. I got some catfish in the freezer ready, bro. Ready. You blew the ducky on stream to make it win. It works. Try it. You're gonna have everybody blowing on their monitors. I served duck to my in-laws, not knowing it was my mother-in-law's favorite animal. Needless to say, it took them a few years before they liked you. Holy. Imagine that conversation at the kitchen table chat. Yeah, so what's your favorite animal? Duck. Oh. How's your food? What up, G? You're back just in time, baby. About to do the 50K growth account giveaway. Duck is a bird? Yeah, that's an animal. A duck is an animal. MyFX trading, what's up? Win rug pull on markets? I wish yesterday, to be honest. Ducks have rights. F the duck, I want the golden goose. Holy. MyFX, I'm doing well. Doing well. They had a lake at their house and always fed the dogs, so it would waddle up to their deck. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Chat, let's get ready for this giveaway, bro. We are doing the 50K growth account. Let me ping everybody in Discord. Let them know we're doing the giveaway right now. Put it on Twitter as well. Donald Duck for president. What is the keyword? I'll let you guys know what the keyword is here soon. Guys, I haven't listen, I haven't said the keyword yet. Why are y'all just typing duck? Guys, what are y'all doing? I haven't said the keyword. Chat, stop it. I haven't. Chat, are y'all just like, listen, I haven't said what the keyword is. What are y'all doing? Golly. I heard duck, I typed duck. The keyword is Sean never wins a duck race. Chat, y'all are I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. I don't even know. I need to pull up the thing though. Wait. Okay, there we go. All right, chat. Keyword. 5 names. These are just random words or random names, chat. It's not. Look, they're there every time I pull it up. I always just take them out. All right, chat. We'll just listen. Because you guys are just on one today. Keyword is duck. Keyword is duck. Type it in the chat. Keyword duck. 50K growth account giveaway, chat. Holy. Keywords duck. Good luck. $50K growth account giveaway, chat. Type duck in the comment section. You'll be entered for the 50K growth account with Tradify. As a reminder, while you guys are typing duck, we're doing a free mastermind course in Discord, October 24th, absolutely free. I have nothing to sell you. I won't sell you a course, mentorship. Free mastermind course in Discord. So if you're not in Discord, click that link in the description. Join up on Discord. You do not want to miss it, baby. It's going to be an absolute heater. Absolute heater. Oh shit, we might actually exceed the, hold on. Chat, I'm gonna have to get the premium. Hold on. Y'all are, hold on. We finally got to a point where we gotta do the premium, chat. Keywords duck. We have 110 people entered. I'm trying to get the premium for the duck race, chat, so I can add more than 100 people. Holy. I'll give you guys a few more minutes. We have 112 people so far. I wasn't expecting to have this many people. So now I got to get premium, chat. So I'm getting premium for the duck races so I can add more than 100 people. Give me a minute. Just do 250s today? I could. I could. It's still processing the order, chat. Hang on. I'm trying to get it processed. Give me a second. Once it finishes, we'll do the giveaway. It's taking a minute though. See, chat, I'm waiting. I'm waiting on the premium to go through. One for regular and one for trophy. Why is this taking so long, bro? Chat, it's taking forever. I don't know why it's taking this long. Hang on. Gives you guys more time to enter. So if you have not entered, type duck in the chat. We have 113 people. There we go. Okay, I think it's done, chat. So now I should be able to, boom, there we go. All right, we're good. All right. Boom, boom, there it is. All right, we have 115 people, chat. 115. Holy. Good luck. Absolutely good luck to you guys. Chat, we ready? We ready to do this? Good luck. 115, but only 65 watching. Yeah, I feel like the views aren't really accurate because I've noticed that too. Like I'll have 60 or like 40 viewers, but then like 70 people entered. I feel like the views aren't always as accurate as they are. It's really weird. All right, let's do this. Chat, good luck. 50K growth account. Holy moly. Listen. Again, this is where preparation meets opportunity, chat. Preparation meets opportunity. If you didn't train the duck, it's on you. Good luck. Here we go, baby. Here we freaking go. Holy. MOTW coming out with a lead. Holy moly. We got Todd. Wick Hunter. Holy. Out here hunting wicks. Wick Hunter. Holy. Who's going to come up in the lead? Who's going to come in the lead? Alpha Tickers. Giselle Christina. Miss Venture. Hola. Oh, Zen Trading. Holy moly, who is going to take it? Who is going to take it? It is any Ducks game, chat. It is absolutely any Ducks game. Any Ducks game. We got La Guerre, however you say it. HFRT, Noah Brink turning up the gas. Look at Noah coming in, taking the lead. Oh, he's falling off though. We got Frenzy Scalping trying to take the lead. All us holding on to, but look at Carrier. Oh, baby. Who's it going to be? Max. It is an absolute close one, chat. An absolute close one. If you're not seeing your duck, it's probably because your duck is way in the back, like off screen, chat. Your ducks are probably off screen in the back. That's probably why. It's because your duck's in last place, chat. Mama Bear. Look at Mama Bear. Holy. Oh, baby. Dita. Tester Ginger. Who is it gonna be? It's Mama Bear's in third. Oh, Mama Bear, you're falling off. Mama Bear, where are you going, Mama? Holy. Tester Ginger. Oh, Ginger falling off. Oh my Lord, look at what's happening, child. This is the closest one we've ever had. Look at who's it gonna be. Win, if you're here. I'm gonna give you a couple minutes. If you're here, if not, we're running it back. If Win is here, congratulations. If not, we're running it back. Who's Wimp? Wimp, where are you? Where are you, Wimp? Chat, remember we do this basically every single week. So if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Wimp, are you here? There he is, Wimp. GG's, congratulations. Send me a message in Discord. Send me a message in Discord and I'll get you hooked up for a free 50K growth account. My duck was hangry. GG's to Wimp. Wimp, congratulations. Chat, we do this every single week. So if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and catch the weekly giveaways. We're doing a 50K straight to funded account tomorrow, chat. We have a 50K straight to funded account giveaway tomorrow. So be sure to tune in live for it as well. Remember, free mastermind course in Discord on October 24th. Be sure to hit that link in the description box, chat. What a note to end it on, chat. We will go ahead and wrap it up there. We got about 26 minutes till market close. We will wrap it up there, chat. Hope you guys had a good day. Hope you had a good trading day. Congratulations to the winner. Remember, we're doing congratulations to both winners. We had a 150K winner earlier and a 50K growth account winner now. We'll be live tomorrow morning, chat. We will actually be live tomorrow morning because my wife will be here to take care of the son. So we will be live tomorrow morning. Hit that subscribe button. Tune in the lives. Hope you guys had a good trading day. Stay green if you're green. If you're red, take it on the chin, baby. Tomorrow is a new day. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out. Stay beautiful.